Yo guys, it's TNN, and in this video we're going to have a look at one of the best TEMU and TikTok products and techs for around $10, £10, some even under that price. So we have got a really cool spill proof water bottle. We got a bunch of stuff here. We're going to check it all out. We're going to see how good it is and see if these tech products can really change your lifestyle. So the first item we got here is this water bottle. It is a big 1 litre water bottle. It is made from stainless steel insulation bottle. It says it on here, and we've got some random logos and fashion style. They love adding the word fashion to everything. We do have rubber grips on the bottom here, which I love as well. A lovely little handle, and the best thing about this is you can drink this drink from so many different ways. So you've got this little strap over here where you can hang it onto things. If you press this here, you've got your straw, which you can just push in and use it as a normal straw. You can also pull the whole straw out and use the bottle from the lid like so. And then of course, closing it through, you can twist the top of this off. I do have some water in there, don't want to make sure I spill it. And inside here, you can put some berries, fruits, lemon, you know, all different mix to make your water flavored. And you can see over here, we've got this long pipe that picks up your water, and you can also drink it from here as well. Now, I'm going to put some cold water in here, and we're going to see how long it stays cold for, and see if it's actually any good. It also claims to be spill proof, so I'm going to go and tighten it, and we're going to check that now. Yeah, that is definitely spill proof, and it is a heavy big boy bottle as well. I have to say that's actually really good. I've bought so many bottles, bottles from Chili, bottles from Sistema. I've also had the Hydrate Spark water bottles, and they always end up leaking, but this is looking super sealed, like not a single drop is coming out of there. That is awesome. So that's really cool. I'm going to put some cold water in there. We're going to see how long it lasts, and we'll come back to that. Let's see what we got next. Next is this self-stirring mug, and I have to say it's pretty cool. We've got little rubber pads underneath, got like a handle to hold it. Yeah, it is a bit flimsy, cheap plasticky. I think if they went for a more of a steel type fill, but we've got this lid on top with a rubber seal, which is nice. And there is a self-stirring technology, and it's completely sealed, which makes it waterproof. You can see this little thing here. If I can try and get it out, it's just a little magnetic pill. See, there's nothing there. It's just a little magnetic pill type thing, which just slots in place. Really nice. Inside it is metal, and it does keep your drink warm, and it also tells you the temperature of your drink as well. But the annoying thing is it's in Fahrenheit. So that's 22 degrees Fahrenheit, and in the UK we use Celsius, and for some reason I just can't change it to Celsius, which is really annoying. Well, let's go and put some coffee in it and see the self-stirring in action. So here we are, we've got some coffee in there, but it's not been stirred. You can see the cream in the coffee. The outside material is actually metal, but it's not like the highest quality metal. So it feels a bit plasticky, but it's not actually plastic, it is metal. Underneath here, this cover over there, we do have a USB Type-C charge port as well. So it's super easy, no batteries, you can just charge it with USB Type-C, and then you just put the cover back in so it stays waterproof. So when you're washing it, when you do wash it, you do want to avoid kind of washing the charge port area too much anyway. Because of the whole unit sealed, it's actually nice and easy to wash as well. So let's go ahead and see how this works. We've got one button press, which tells us our temperature, so we're at 81 degrees Fahrenheit, so our drink is nice and hot. Press it again, and it will spin it for 20 seconds, and it will stir. I've put some sugar in there as well, and it should stir it quite nicely, and it's actually not too loud, it's quite quiet. Can you hear that? There you go. That's actually really good, and it's actually stirred it quite well there. Yeah, that's really cool. And from the stirring, you can see the temperature going down as well, so the temperature updates is quite live as well. Yeah, this is really nice. That is actually a really good buy. I'm going to give that a 10 out of 10. That's actually really good. And you got your lid over here to keep your drink warm and take it on the go. Mate, this is amazing. Definitely go out and buy this. This is really cool. 10 out of 10. Next we have got this product over here. This is the washing machine shoe bag. So literally open it up, you've got some entry points here for the water and your soap to flow in the washing machine, and inside we've got loads and loads of these microfiber bristles which will end up cleaning your shoes. You simply put your shoes inside of the bag, zip the bag closed, and you also got a place to tuck in your zip as well, just like so that it doesn't rattle around and make noise in the washing machine. So that's a really nice design. Let's put some of my dirty shoes in there and let's see how well it cleans it. Right guys, so these are some of my Air Forces. They're not too dirty, but they've got like a little bit of some marks here and there. The laces are a little bit dirty, not too bad. To be fair, I do keep my shoes quite clean anyway. But let's shove it in the shoe laundry bag and we'll put it in the washing machine and let's see how well it does. So a great thing about my Hoover H-Wash washing machine here is that I can connect to it with the app. You can see over here I can just put it in trainers mode and just monitor the washing on the app. Easy as that, 44 minutes and this should be ready to go. So I've taken them out, I'm just going to leave them to dry now, but damn, it's done actually a really good job. Like, look how clean they look. Even like underneath, the laces are like shining white. Yeah man, it's done a really good job. Just got to leave it to dry now I guess, but yeah, that product was actually pretty good. Next up we have got the magic brush, and it comes with all these different items. You got one fluffy cotton style, you've got just a simple sponge, you've got a sponge with the emery, you've got one with the metal emery, got one with the metal emery, and it simply just comes off and just clips in like so, it's easily replaceable. And then we've got one with just a normal brush style, comes with a micro USB to USB type A charging cable, nice. And then we have the actual product itself. Let's go ahead and check this out. Here we have it. I don't know if it's got any charge or not. It does. There you go. It's got a charge port there and a little rubber silicone that covers it. I mean, that silicone does not look like it even wants to stay in there. Okay then. Right, let's check this out and see if this is any good. So each thing just simply clips in and out, just comes off like that, and if you want to put it in, literally just clips in like so. You press the button, start spinning. It's a little bit loud, but it's not crazy loud, but it's got some force in it. I'm pushing against it and it's still not stopping. The motor's still going. So yeah, I could say that works. The only thing is that micro USB cover here, that just doesn't stay closed. It just keeps opening. The plastic, yeah, definitely feels a little bit cheap, you can tell. And the rubber there, I pushed the button once and it's already dented in. Look at that. But hey ho, let's give some dishes a wash. Let's clean my sink and let's see how good this actually performs. God knows how long it lasts though, but let's check it out anyway. So our next product is in the kitchen. It is this little device here. So similar to the electric sponge, this one is manual, and you can put liquid in here with some water and it dispenses it out. So let's check it out and see if it does any good. Okay, I can't lie to you, this product is dreadful. It just leaks. Look at that. It's just constantly leaking water everywhere. When it works like this pretty well, and it's nice and easy to hold, but if it's just constantly leaking, look at that, it's just constantly dripping. It's pretty pointless if it's constantly dripping. We've already lost more than half the water that was in here. So yeah, that one, no buy, don't buy that. That's rubbish, it's useless. Just use it as a normal sponge handle if you already bought it, and just don't fill it up because it's even coming out the plastic end. Look, useless. Now let's actually try the electric one. So while we test out our electric scrub, we can also test out our electric sensor dispensers that we also got from TEMU, and you just literally place them there and you get your soap like so. It's as easy as that. Look at that. So nice and easy. Yeah, they're pretty good to be fair. I actually rate them. Right, let's see how this cleans Okay. If you apply a bit of force. Okay, that's not too bad actually. I'm pushing down quite a bit and it's still going. Hey, that's actually done a pretty good job to be fair. That's scrubbed quite well. And you can probably clean your whole sink with just the normal sponge without the green emery on there. You can probably clean the whole sink quite well. Yeah, I like that, that's pretty good. The only thing that's annoying is the rubber that just keeps flapping up. And if you get water in there, then goodbye to this machine. It's just not going to work anymore. So be careful with that. I'm going to give this a 6 out of 10. It's pretty decent, does what it's meant to do. It's just a bit cheap quality and the rubber cover for the charge port just keeps lifting up. So that gets a 6 out of 10, that gets a 1 out of 10, that is rubbish. And these, I'm going to give these a 10 out of 10, these are awesome, man. And they also charge with USB Type-C, which is pretty cool as well. You ever been in a situation where you're trying to open a jar of salsa or a jar of something and it's so tight you can't open it and you're like, God damn it, what do I do? You start prying it with screwdrivers and all sorts. Well, TEMU and TikTok Shop have solved that with the jar opener. Now this takes 2 AA batteries, as you can see right there, and then you just simply press the button. But there's a massive warning, do not touch the moving parts during the operation, so make sure you don't touch the moving parts. And you press the we're having some technical difficulties, we'll be right back. Oh, okay, I just didn't put the cover on properly. But yeah, you literally press and hold it, and the minute you release, it releases the jar. I'm going to try this out on my kitchen table because I don't want it to keep going and explode and blow up my jar and put salsa all over the place. So let's go to the kitchen table and see if this is any good. So here we have a lovely jar of some mild salsa that I made sure is nice and tight. We just place the device on it like this and press and hold. It's really loud, man, I can't lie to you. Oh my god. Is it releasing? I mean, it's so noisy. Just shut up for a second. Oh, there you go. It done it. No way. It actually works. Right, that's pretty cool. 10 out of 10. That's actually really cool. It works. Next, we have the electric tin opener or can opener, whatever you like to call it. This also takes 2 AA batteries as well. And again, very simple design. This is quite decent quality plastic. I would compare it with the jar opener. Very similar, white, and then we've got black on this one. But comparing it to the dish cleaning one, this very cheap plastic, this one here, you can even hear the shakes, whereas this one feels a lot more higher quality. Yeah, pretty simple. You put your tins on there, you press the button, and you can control how much you cut the tin open by. If you press and hold it for 1, 2, 3 seconds, it stays on and it keeps going. And you've got a little button over here to change the direction. If you press that, it goes as reverse. But the only thing is you can't stop it. It just keeps going. It just keeps making this really, really loud noise. I don't know why they choose to make super, super loud noise. It doesn't even stop. It just keeps going. You just have to leave it until it stops. There you go, it stopped. But let's try this out. Hopefully this will be a very good product as well. And see if we can open some tins with it. Nice and easy. Instead of doing it the old manual way, twisting, you know, forget that. TEMU's here to help out, so we don't need to do that anymore. Gone are the old days. Let's check it out. I literally press on the button and it just does its thing. It starts going around. Just doing its thing. And there we go. It just slices it open so clean. Crazy. That is really cool. That's really useful. Next we have this head massaging oil dispensing tool massager thingy majiggy. Now there's a company out there that makes something like this as well, but it's super expensive, and this was like $10. So for £10 compared to like, I think the other one's like 80 or 100 odd pounds, it's a big difference. So you know what I mean. So let's see if this is any good. So this has got like, I'm pretty sure it's got like red light therapy stuff and blue light therapy stuff and purple lights, and it moves forward and back, and it like massages your head. And then you can also, these are all different modes, and you can also change the speeds with the power button, fast, off. There you go. And then off, and then you can twist the top over here and pull this off, and you can put like your hair oils and stuff like that in here. You pour it in there, and then it dispenses it out of these like rollers as you're rolling it on your head. So it's like a ballpoint pen on here, if you see over there, and it like dispenses it into your hair. Pretty cool. I'm gonna go ahead and try it out, and I'm gonna give you a verdict on what I think. I'm also gonna put some oil in there and see if that's any good as well, and we'll see if this is as good as the £100 one that you can also buy as well. So let's see. So I've used it, and I mean, it doesn't really feel relaxing or anything like that, but I'm guessing it probably is good for your hair. It does like massage your hair strands, and the oil actually dispenses quite nicely. It's a very like little bit of oil that comes off of here. So as you put it against your head or your scalp and you push against these little ball pins, the oil disperses out, and it's very little amount of oil that comes out. So I guess you save a lot on the amount of oil you're using, and it does actually spread it around your hair quite evenly, but it doesn't dispense a lot. I wish it dispensed a little bit more, because if you're going to oil your hair, you'd want to oil it properly and dispense a little bit more at least. Massage wise, yeah, it doesn't really feel relaxing for me personally anyway. Is it good for your hair? I don't know. Do your research, comment down below. I don't know, I'm not a scientist, I don't know anything about hair. I don't know if it's good for you or not. But I mean, it does what it's meant to do. And what impressed me actually is that the oil isn't leaking at all. So when it's just left here, you don't have to worry about it. It doesn't leak. So that, I mean, that's great. Last thing you want is oil spilling out everywhere. But it does the job, it does what it's meant to do. And it's got USB Type-C charging, which is amazing. Yeah, I'd give it a 5 out of 10. I don't think it's the most amazing product that's necessary, but it's pretty cool. And if you're into your hair and massaging and oil, then I guess this is the product for you. So yeah, 5 out of 10. Now this is a very nice water bottle. It's kept my water cold for hours now. It's been a whole day and it's still nice and cool. Only thing that I can fault with this bottle is that the actual straw pops out sometimes completely when it's not meant to do that. So when you release the button, you see the force of it pings the whole straw out, but you just got to push it back in and then drink. So that's the only one thing that I've found about this bottle. Other than that, it's been amazing. It's spill proof, it works absolutely fine. Yeah, this is a great water bottle. And that's it for all the house and kitchen and home tech products and home products from TEMU and TikTok. If you like this video, comment down below, like and subscribe, and as always, thanks for watching.